Want to change your location on Find My Device in seconds? First, you'll need MagFone Location Changer, a tool that lets you teleport anywhere without rooting or jailbreaking your device. Then, connect your phone using a USB cable or over Wi-Fi. Once connected, MagFone will display clear instructions to help you enable developer mode. This varies by device, but in this demo, we're using a Samsung phone for reference. Now, head into your phone's developer options and set MagFone as your mock location app. With that done, you're ready to freely change your location in Find My Device. To verify it's working, log into Find Smart Things and check your new spot. If you don't see the change right away, simply refresh the page. Your updated location should appear instantly.